Hi, I'm Emily and I'm a product specialist at Form Assembly. And in this video, I will be showing you how to make an effective employee application form that collects the data that you need without scaring away the potential hires. We all know that great employees are the backbones of successful companies, but recruiting them isn't always easy. How do you balance finding top talent and making a great first impression? Is it possible to streamline this process while still collecting all the important information? Well, yes, and it all begins with the job application. Job applications have a reputation of being tedious and complicated. They often require the respondent to submit a lot of information that you will then have to sort through. So we want to make sure that we've streamlined this process as much as possible for everyone involved. We can do this in several ways. One of the ways is predefined content. Every employment application is going to require basic contact information. For example, you can add these and create fields such as name, phone, email, and save them as predefined content. Now, every time that you need to add contact information, we can simply find these fields in the predefined content. The second way that we can streamline this process is by using repeatable sections. Candidates filling out job applications may have multiple answers for fields such as education or references. We can turn each of these sections into repeatable sections. You can see how this is done. And that's it. These are two easy ways to ensure that your employment application forms are streamlined and easy to fill out. You can find additional resources in the description of this video, which includes a guide featuring our top tips for building better forms. Or check out our channel for more videos on form building and best practices. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and make sure to like and subscribe so you're always up to date with our latest videos. As always, thank you for watching and happy form building.